car with a TNT, small one, firework, if you can see that. Now, just let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna go and fire this charge, and I'll come back to you in a few seconds. Oh my god, it's smoking. God damn it. Look at it. Oh my god, the front. Oh god. Oh god damn. The rear took off. How strong was that? Oh my goodness. It's all falling apart. I think it's, oh my, it's melting now. I don't think it could be that strong for a small charge of gunpowder. What? The door is stuck right now. It's exploded and out, and it's not closing. Okay. Totally damaged car. Nothing left from it.